Hi, welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to show you something, but the thing is that if you come on Cordilla Cruises and thinking about shopping, it's not going to happen for now, because when I came here I saw this, the Royal shops, and you all know that I work on a cruise ship in boutique department, a sales department. When I came here I see everything is empty. There is no shops, duty-free shops on Cordilla Cruises. So I was very disappointed. You can see this, all the stores are empty. Nothing is there. But my disappointment was made it into happiness because I saw this. The Royal shops coming soon. Yes guys, I've spoken to a few people on board. They said that they are going to start this duty free shop on Cordilla Cruises. So very soon we're going to see shops at Cordilla Cruises. So for now there is no shop. If you are thinking to buy any souvenirs and all, the facility is not available. So this is the update from the Cordilla Cruises. So please subscribe to my channel and wait for my another videos. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.